Imagine turning a single image into a lifelike avatar that showcases your product and speaks your message. I've been using the Aveeno Daily Moisturizer, and I'm loving it.
شعري منتج كلو يحمي من الرطوبة ويترك شعرك ناعم ومثالي.
Sounds cool, right? Well, it's here, and it's easier than you think. Stick around, and I'll show you how the product avatar feature can transform your marketing. Topview is a fantastic online AI video editor packed with incredible features. I highly recommend checking it out. But for now, let's focus on its newest feature: Product Avatar. You can find the link in the description. Alright, log in, and let's get started. First, navigate to the Product Avatar section in the dashboard, and click on it. You'll find plenty of avatars holding different products. Choose one that best fits the size and type of your product. Click here to upload your product image. The AI will automatically remove the background, but if needed, you can adjust it manually. Once you're happy with the avatar, you can either select a preset look or recreate to get the perfect image. Now, click Image to Video Avatar and wait for the magic to happen. For me, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes.
I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Okay, now review your video and save it. You can upload an audio file for lip syncing or simply type your script. Then, choose a voice from the AI library, or even clone your own voice for a personalized touch. Click Generate, adjust final settings based on your pricing plan, and hit Export.
Hey guys, I just got the Yeti Rambler, and it's already my go-to mug. It's leak-proof, keeps my coffee hot for hours, and is tough enough to handle anything, whether I'm commuting or out on a hike. If you need a mug that actually works, grab this one. Trust me, you'll love it.
What do you think? Honestly, this is so easy.
Absolute elegance in a bottle. The perfect balance of fresh and bold. One spritz and you are unforgettable.
But wait, let's clone my voice.
I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You know.
Hey guys, I've been using the Aveeno Daily Moisturizer and I'm loving it. It's great for sensitive. Hey guys, I've been using the Aveeno Daily Moisturizer, and I'm loving it. It's great for sensitive skin, keeps me hydrated, and is packed with prebiotics for healthy skin. My skin feels so smooth and nourished all day. And finally, let's try another language.
Cerchi una memoria affidabile? Dai un'occhiata al WD Elements Portable External Drive. È compatto, veloce e perfetto per archiviare tutti i tuoi file importanti. Prendilo subito.
سير جمال شعري منتج كلو يحمي من الرطوبة ويترك شعرك ناعم ومثالي. جربيه الآن.
Hey Leute, Ich habe mir gerade diesen Green Electronic Organizer zugelegt und ich sage euch, er ist ein Lebensretter. Schaut, wie kompakt er ist, aber innen ein echter Gamechanger.
你好，大家好，我刚买了这款优雅的香水来庆祝情人节，真的太喜欢了。清新流畅，持久留香，无论是特别的夜晚还是日常使用，都能让人感觉超赞。
Don't forget to check the description for the discount. Thanks for watching, and if you try this feature, let us know your thoughts in the comments to help others. Love you all, and see you in the next video.